Chapter 2 Maps. We learned in the previous chapter that the globe is a small model of the Earth. It is important for us as we can find out the accurate shape, size, and location of different places, but there are some limitations. We cannot find the complete information. A big globe is difficult to carry and handle. To overcome these limitations, we use maps. Maps are drawn on a flat surface. These are the drawings of the entire or part of the Earth on a flat surface like paper, board, or wall. Therefore, a map is more comfortable to carry and handle. A collection of maps bound together in form of a book is known as atlas. Atlas books. Fact box. The art of map making is called cartography. A person who makes maps is called a cartographer. Uses of maps. There are many advantages of using maps. Some of them are: maps provide us a variety of information. They show the location of the continents, countries, and cities. They show mountains, plateaus, plains, river valleys, and water bodies. They are easy to carry and handle. They can also show the distribution of rainfall, forests, crops, grasslands, minerals, etc. However, the maps also have some limitations. The surface of the Earth is curved. A curved surface cannot be represented accurately on a flat surface like paper. In order to have an accurate representation of the Earth or a big part of it, maps cannot be as good as a globe. Language of maps. To show the details on a map, a large variety of signs, symbols, and colors are used. These signs, symbols, and color collectively constitute the language of map. Every map has a story to tell. We can read the story only if we know the language of the map. There is a key to the language in every map. Let us learn about the basic elements of the language of the maps. Directions. We must have the knowledge of directions to study a map. There are 4 main directions: east, west, north, and south. All maps follow very strictly a uniform way of naming the directions. When we look at the map, the top of the map is always north. The south is directly opposite north towards bottom of the map. To the right side, it is east, and to the left, it is west. Map directions and sub-directions. If we know the 4 directions, sub-directions are easy to know. Between north and west is northwest. Between north and east is northeast. Between south and west is southwest. And between south and east is southeast. If we look at the map of India, Jammu and Kashmir is towards north. Tamil Nadu is towards south. Gujarat is in the west. And Assam and Nagaland towards east. Scale. We cannot make maps showing the actual size of a place. Hence, a scale is used. Suppose the distance between 2 cities is 100 km. On the map, it is shown as 1 cm. The scale is written as 1 cm is to 10 km. The scale is usually shown at the corner of the map. Thus, the scale is used to represent the ratio between the size on the map and the area shown. The scale of the map. The linear scale of map. Though different types of scales are used in maps, but the most popular one is the linear scale. It is a straight line divided into many parts of equal length. Each part represents equal distance on the ground. For example, the distance between 2 places on the map is 1 cm. The actual distance on the ground will be 50 km. Thus, a distance of 1 cm on the map represents a distance of 50 km on the ground. This means 1 cm is to 50 km is the scale of the map. Color scheme. Different colors are used to show various types of information. They represent physical features of land. For example, blue is used to show seas, oceans, lakes, and big rivers. Light blue is used to indicate shallow waters of the sea. Deep blue stands for deep water. Green indicates plains or lowlands or the plateaus. Yellow and brown indicate higher lands and dark brown indicates mountains and hills. There is usually a key in a corner of the map. The key tells us exactly how deep and high the areas in each color are. Color scheme on a map. Signs and symbols. Various signs and symbols are used to represent various features in map. For example, the capital city is marked on the map by a small circle with a dot inside. A key to the signs and symbols used is given in each map. Types of maps. There are different types of maps. 1. Political maps. These maps show the boundaries of continents, countries, states, districts, capitals, cities, and towns. 2. Physical maps. These maps show mountains, hills, plateaus, valleys, rivers, lakes, etc. Such maps are also called relief maps. 3. Climate maps. These maps show rainfall, temperature, direction of winds, etc. 4. Vegetation maps. These maps show forests, grasslands, etc. 5. Topographical maps. These maps show complete details of places in a small area. Such maps show mountains, hills, rivers, roadways, railways, etc. 6. Economic or commercial maps. These maps generally show the area of industry, mining, agricultural production, trade centers, ports, trade routes, etc. Maps give us very important information. They help travelers to travel to places of their choice. Thus, maps are our true friends and guides, and it is important to learn the language of maps to understand them. Feature, symbol, metal road, bridge, dam, temple, church, state boundary, capital of a country, railway, river, well, mosque, mine, international boundary, important town. Let's remember. A globe cannot show detailed information. Also, it is not easy to carry and handle the globe. A map is a representation of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. A book of maps is called an atlas. The 4 major directions are north, south, east, and west. The subdirections are northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. The scale on a map shows the ratio between the distance on the map and the actual distance on the ground. A sketch is a map without a scale. Words treasure. Map. A drawing of the earth on a paper. Atlas. A book of maps. Relief maps. Maps showing mountains, hills, plateaus, rivers, lakes, etc. Cartography. The art of making maps. Scale. It is ratio between the size of the map and the area shown. Symbol. A shape or sign that is used to represent something.